I'm going to show the Walabot DIY 2. Okay, so it's got a pipe or a wire. There's my PEX. Let's see if it can find the PVC. Okay, there's the PVC. Good. Then we're going to move over here. And it should find our double studs here. Okay, so wooden stud. So it says wooden stud right there. And wooden stud right there. Okay, there's pipe or wire there. That's a wire, so that's correct. And pipe or wire there as well. We can kind of follow it down. Let's see if it finds our stud here. Okay, wooden stud, good. And then we'll have, okay, look at that, metal stud. Metal stud right there. So it identifies metal versus wood, so that's good. Now it should be showing our gas pipe. There's our gas pipe. Let's see if it picks up the 4-inch duct. Yep, says another pipe there. And it doesn't say what it is or how big it is, but it just shows a pipe or a wire. Okay, oh, and there's our end stud. So did pretty good on the 1/2 inch, and it found basically everything that was back there.